Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. We're going to get into a rampage. This rampage is designed to make literally everyone obsessed with you. So listen to this, close your eyes, meditate, visualize maybe your dream life, visualize the new you, visualize what your most iconic version of you would be doing, get lost in it, or you can just play this in the background while you're doing some work, turn it up before the gym. The world is your oyster, period, okay? Sorry for the stuttering, there's no script, but don't forget to check out my other socials to see the behind the scenes of my life, what I'm manifesting, and funnier things that I can't really show on other social media platforms. Yeah, everyone is literally obsessed with me, it's just a fact. Everyone cannot get enough of my energy. Everyone feels so drawn and so pulled in by my magnetic aura. I have such an undeniable beauty. My aura is something that people have never felt before. My aura is so special, my aura is so unique, and it makes everyone literally fall to their motherfucking knees. I am who I'm supposed to be. And I love being seen. I love being seen by everybody in this fucking world. Actually, I feel the most confident when I know that everyone's looking at me, because if I were them, I'd be checking me out too. My style is on point. My makeup's on point. My body is tea. Everyone is obsessed with me. Everyone asks me out. Everyone wants to go on dates with me. Everyone wants to follow me on socials. Everyone just cannot get enough of me. I'm beautiful. I'm divine. With every breath I take, I fall more and more in love with myself. I fall more in love with the process. I fall more in love with life. I get more full of gratitude every second of every single day, because I love that I get to manifest my dreams, and I love the fact that I get to become hotter mentally, physically, and emotionally every single day. With every step I take, it's leading me to my dream life. Like, I am literally the hottest piece of ass this world has ever seen. Girls ask me for my number, guys ask me for my number, and it's just like, whoa, literally, there is not enough time in the day to literally answer all these texts and to get back to all these people who are literally wanting to give me opportunities, who are wanting to take me on dates. Oh my God, it's like kind of hard being this hot and having all this attention just because there's not enough time literally in the day. Why am I so hot? Why am I so perfect? Why am I so beautiful? And why do people always remind me every single day how beautiful I am, how smart I am, how intellectual I am, how sexy I am, how lucky I am? Oh my God, my beauty is unmatched. My personality is unmatched. My aura is unmatched. There is nobody like me. There is nobody like me. There is nobody with the energy field that I have. My energy, it's so potent and magical. My energy is top tier. My energy is nothing like anyone has ever seen before. I am so talented. I am the most talented. I am the most gorgeous. I am drop dead gorgeous. I am so beautiful. Every time I look in the mirror, I fall more in love with myself. I am completely flawless. Every cell in my body is perfect. I'm so happy and so grateful for my healthy hair, my healthy skin, my healthy eyes, my healthy limbs, my healthy organs, my sexy body, my toned body, my muscular body. Like, damn, my ass looks so good in everything that I motherfucking wear, bro. I literally walk around like a goddamn supermodel. I am the celebrity of my life, and people treat me like that. People adore me. People kiss the ground that I motherfucking walk on. People are begging to get a chance to be my friend, to be my lover. People are just begging. People keep asking me if I model because I'm so drop dead gorgeous. People are like, oh my God, do you model? You should. You're so gorgeous, so pretty. Like, everyone's obsessed with me, and it's so weird. Like, I love it. I'm so thankful, but like, I'm just me. I'm literally just me. I make people do double takes. I make people question their relationships. I make people weak because I'm so attractive, and they have to have me right fucking now. I never chase anybody. I never chase anybody. I stand firm in who I am. I stand firm in the knowing that I am worthy of love. I stand firm in the knowing that I'm worthy of all the best opportunities, and I know that God and the universe has got me. My spiritual team has got me. My spiritual team are my ride or die. So I know they motherfucking got me. So I never chase validation. I never chase a person. I am always on the pedestal of my life because I'm constantly evolving. I'm constantly learning. I'm constantly bettering myself and chasing my dreams. So quite frankly, I don't have time to chase because I'm too busy at manifesting my most iconic dream life. When I take care of my energy, I can help other people. Life is good. Life gets better and better every single day. Like, I am so excited for this new chapter. I'm so excited that I get to wake up next to my sexy soulmate. I'm so happy and so grateful for this amazing, loving, passionate, romantic relationship that is so perfect and that lasts a lifetime. I'm so happy and so grateful that I am in this most beautiful relationship full of trust. I'm so happy and so grateful that my partner loves me, my partner supports me, my partner uplifts me and encourages me to go after my dreams every single day. And this is what I get for never settling. I'm top tier, I'm chosen, I'm priority, I'm the only motherfucking option, and I'm the hottest thing to ever walk this fucking planet. And I remember that in each and every day, and I'm locking this into every cell of my body, and I'm choosing to become more iconic, more beautiful, more sexy with every fucking second that goes on. I get younger by the second. I age literally in reverse. Like, I literally should be studied because I'm so talented and I'm so sexy and I'm so iconic and I'm always at the right place at the right time, and all these amazing opportunities are drawn to me because I am a spoiled child of a loving, abundant universe, and I'm so happy and so grateful that I get to be here on this planet and manifest my dreams and make other people feel loved while doing it. And so it is.